happy Monday! You made it to another one. Congratulations. You're starting off a new week. So today we're talking about paying it forward. When was the last time you did it? If you haven't, it is the best feeling ever. Trust me. So you know what you do. You pay for the coffee of the person behind you, or maybe you pay for somebody's meal, or maybe you just pay for their french fries. Just do something a little nice and unexpected. A few months ago, I did it for the first time and paid for the meal of the person behind me. I was at In-N-Out in Hollywood, by the way. And as I pulled off, I slowed up a little bit, and the gentleman behind me, he honked his horn and gave me a nice little wave. And then I watched him pay for the meal of the person behind him. Now, I don't know how long the chain went on, but trust me, it made my day to start something like that. So go out there and pay it forward. Somebody will appreciate it, and you'll be that much happier. I'll see you later. Until the next time, live out loud, on purpose, and unapologetically. See you later. Go pay it forward. Go, 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 go.